Shenandoah River near Strasburg, 2.7. South Fork Shenandoah River at Front Royal, 2.4. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for all of West Virginia until 11:20 a.m. This is a test message. This is a practice tornado warning issued to initiate the West Virginia statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service and the West Virginia Emergency Management Division encourage the use of this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plan. This is a test message. Locations include all cities and counties in West Virginia. When a real tornado warning is issued, a tornado has either been spotted or detected by National Weather Service Doppler radar. When a real tornado warning is issued, get to the basement or interior portion of the lowest level of a building, preferably in a small room such as a closet or bathroom. Stay away from windows. Get as many walls as possible between you and the outside part of the structure. If you are in a mobile home or vehicle, leave it and get into a reinforced building or home, if possible. If that is not possible, seek shelter in a low-lying area such as a ditch or ravine. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KHP 36.